There are many pleasant things to watch, but this video contains none of them. This video contains every last detail of the horribly terrifying Esme Squalor makeup at the Carnivorous Carnival. You are better off finding something more pleasant to watch. And please forgive any noise you hear in the background. It's the compressor from my air conditioner, but without it, it would be unbearable in here. So, without any further ado, here's the Esme Squalor Carnivorous Carnival makeup look. So, I've already used my trusty Almay foundation. I'm going to take a reddish eyeshadow, Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics, and I'm going to put that on 2/3 of the lid. Then taking a gold eyeshadow, this one's from Maybelline, put that on the 1/3 left and into the inner corners. And then blend the seams a little bit. So now the picture I have, it looks like there is a darker shadow in the crease. I can't tell if it's black, I can't tell if it's dark purple, maybe a plum, but I'm just gonna go with black and hope it gives me the effect I want. Taking a Great Matte Black from Urban Decay, Blackout. Since it's a little harsh, I'm going to mix a little of the red eyeshadow in there. Take a white eyeshadow. I like Polyester Bride from Urban Decay, and put that on the brow bone. Then we're going to use a black eyeliner to line the upper lash line. An eye pencil from Urban Decay, 24-hour glide on. I'm going to take another black eyeliner. I've used this one a lot. It's from Sally Beauty. And run that along the lower waterline. Then we're going to go back in with some red and run that along 2/3 of the lower lash line. Then some mascara. This one is from Tarte. And now for my least favorite part, lashes. These are from E.L.F. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a MAC pigment, this one's vanilla, and add it to some of our gold spots. Alright, let's start cleaning some stuff up. I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline. I'm going to use NYX Wonder Stick. Highlight shade from NYX. Most of Esme's cheek color is coming from her very red blush. I'm going to use NYX Primal Colors. Then moving on to Esme's lipstick, shade from NYX. And then in my picture, it looks like she has a little dusting of gold on her bottom lip. So here we have our finished Esme from the Carnivorous Carnival look. So Esme had on a little top hat and crazy pigtails kind of sticking out. I have neither the desire nor the talent to recreate that, but you get the idea from the makeup. Thank you for watching my unfortunate look. Don't follow on social media, don't check out the blog for more info, but thank you for watching. Bye.